Teaching a baby to sit up independently is an important step in their growth and development. Most babies learn this skill between 6 to 8 months, as their muscles become stronger. Here are some simple steps to help teach a baby to sit up independently. Giving plenty of tummy time helps babies build strong neck, back, and shoulder muscles. These muscles are important for learning how to sit independently and maintain balance. A tummy time mat gives babies a soft and safe space to lie on their tummy and play comfortably. It helps them build strong muscles and improves movement, balance, and early development skills. Using pillows around your baby can help keep them safe while learning to sit. Soft pillows protect the baby if they fall to the side or backwards during practice. Place the pillows on a soft floor or play mat for extra comfort and safety. Always stay close and watch your baby carefully, even when pillows are being used. Place colorful toys slightly in front of your baby while they are sitting. Bright and fun toys encourage the baby to reach forward and stay balanced. This simple activity helps improve hand movement, coordination, and sitting strength. Always use soft and safe toys during practice time. When your baby is sitting on a parent's knee, gently rock them from side to side. This movement helps the baby learn balance and body control in a safe way. Always hold the baby carefully and make sure they feel comfortable and secure. Using a soft and safe surface helps protect your baby while learning to sit. A play mat, carpet, or soft blanket can make practice more comfortable and secure. Babies may fall or wobble during sitting practice, so a soft area helps prevent small injuries. Always keep the practice space clean and stay close to your baby for safety. Practice short sitting sessions every day to help your baby learn slowly and comfortably. Start with a few minutes at a time so the baby does not get tired or upset. Regular short practice helps improve balance, strength, and confidence in sitting. Encouraging floor play helps babies move freely and build strong muscles. Playing on the floor gives the baby space to roll, stretch, and practice sitting movements. It also improves balance, coordination, and body strength naturally. Stay close to your baby and encourage them with smiles and gentle words during playtime. An inflatable baby seat can help babies practice sitting in a safe and comfortable way. The soft support keeps the baby balanced and reduces the chance of falling during practice. It also helps strengthen back and neck muscles while improving sitting posture. Lightweight and easy to carry, these seats are useful for daily playtime and short sitting sessions. So, by applying these steps and using these products, you can teach a baby to sit up independently.